The use of if and then. The use of if and then in English depends on the context of the sentence and the type of conditional statement being formed. Here's a breakdown of when to use each. If is used to introduce the condition or the hypothetical situation in a conditional sentence. It sets the stage for what needs to happen for a certain result to occur. It's commonly used in all types of conditional sentences: 0, first, second, and third conditionals. Example: if it rains, we will stay indoors, first conditional. If I were a superhero, I would fly, second conditional. If he had studied, he would have passed the exam, third conditional. Then is often used in the result or consequence part of a conditional sentence. It indicates what will happen if the condition stated with if is met. However, then is often optional and can be omitted without changing the meaning of the sentence. Example: if you finish your homework, then you can watch TV, first conditional. If I win the lottery, then I'll travel the world, second conditional. If he had arrived on time, then he wouldn't have missed the meeting, third conditional. In many cases, especially in everyday conversation, then can be left out. If you finish your homework, you can watch TV. If I win the lottery, I'll travel the world. If he had arrived on time, he wouldn't have missed the meeting. Overall, if introduces the condition, and then indicates the result, but then is often optional and can be omitted in most cases without changing the meaning of the sentence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more language learning content.